Many people like to eat fried radish balls, but when you fry them, do you use flour or starch? Many people can't figure it out. Today, I will share the correct method with you to fry radish balls that are crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Adults and children will love them. First, prepare a green radish and a carrot. Peel the skin with a peeler. As the saying goes, radishes in autumn are good for the body. After peeling, use a grater to shred the radish and carrot. If you don't have a grater, you can use a knife to finely chop them. Boil a pot of water in advance. Pour the shredded radish and carrot into the boiling water and boil for 1 minute. After boiling, drain the water and transfer the radish and carrot into cold water to cool. Once cooled, squeeze out the moisture from the shredded radish and carrot completely. Chop the shredded radish and carrot lightly. Don't chop too finely. After chopping, transfer them to a large bowl for later use. Next, prepare a handful of washed coriander and a handful of green onions. Chop both finely. You can add more coriander and green onions for better flavor. Add them to the radish mixture. Season the mixture with 8 grams of salt, a spoonful of 5-spice powder, a spoonful of 13-spice powder, a spoonful of chicken essence, and a spoonful of sesame oil. Crack in an egg and stir the ingredients well using chopsticks in one direction. Friends, the main page has shared more than 1,000 home cooking tutorials. If you find this recipe helpful, please give it a like or share it. Add 2 spoonfuls of flour and 2 spoonfuls of starch. Stir well. If you have crispy meat powder, you can replace the flour and starch for an even crispier result. Stir until the mixture is well combined. Put on disposable gloves, brush some oil on your hands, and shape the mixture into balls. Place the balls on a plate for later use. Heat oil in a pot to 60 degrees hot. Carefully place the radish balls one by one into the oil. Start with high heat to quickly set the surface of the balls. Do not touch the balls immediately after placing them in the oil. Let them set for about a minute. Once they are shaped, lower the heat to medium-low and gently turn the balls with a slotted spoon to ensure even frying. Fry until the balls are golden and crispy. The entire process takes about 7 minutes. Once fried, remove the balls from the oil and place them on a tray to drain excess oil. You can hear how crispy they are. The balls are golden, crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. They are absolutely delicious, so good that even my picky child can't stop eating them. Fried radish balls can also be added to hot pot or stewed with meat for a fragrant dish. The recipe is super simple. If you like it, save it and try it at home.